Valentine is coming. Hey, Valentine is here. Where's your boyfriend? Where is your boyfriend? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansa, Mansa Queen, or aka if this is your first time on this channel, you were absolutely welcome, guys. As you can see, I got my V-Day look, Valentine's Day, even though to me Valentine's Day is just like any other day, okay? And it's okay. So are you one of those people that celebrate Valentine on Valentine's Day? For me, we don't really it's not different. It's just like any other day for me and my household, because guess what, love is a beautiful thing, but it could be celebrated every day. We don't need a specific day set out for Valentine's, but it's a beautiful thing though. It's a beautiful thing that that one day everybody will get a chance to look back and just appreciate their loved ones. So I love it, but I don't do anything special for it, okay? I think we've only done dinner once or twice, but right now we're not, and it's freezing cold, so we're just at home and just doing our thing. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys do? Do you do anything different to mark Valentine's Day? Remember back when we were younger, we would buy cards and roses. Oh my God, you wouldn't even wait for your boyfriend to give it to you. Instead, you go buy it and give it to your boyfriend, and normally you don't even get anything back. You know, we get older, we get wiser, and we're not doing that now. But anyway, it is a good time to reflect on love and just your loved ones. Love, like I said, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I think everybody needs love, and I think everybody deserves love, real love, okay? Whether it's from your friends or from your life partner, your family, everybody, just everybody deserves love, and it's a beautiful thing. So think about it this way. It could be a good reflection for us today. What is your definition of love, and who are your loved ones, and how do you show love? I would like to know in the comment section below. If it's your kids, or you like to buy the gifts, or are you, for like somebody like me, I like to always affirm it and say to them all the time, I love you, baby, you're beautiful, you're strong, you're a pretty girl. You know, just boost their confidence from day one. I'm a firm believer of it. Oh my goodness, my mom is always putting those good words in my head, and it just makes me feel like the princess and the queen that I am. So yeah, what is your own take on Valentine's Day? Be a blessing and be blessed. Above all, be a blessing to others, okay? Sometimes you friends, let's think about it in this way. Sometimes you turn on your camera as a content creator, as a YouTuber, and you don't even know what to talk about, and you just go into this motivational speaking realm. But guess what, sometimes just one person needs to hear that. One person, and it might be you. Yes, you right there. It might be you that just needs to hear that you were strong, you were beautiful, you can do it. Because girl, let me tell you, this world is so this world has become so toxic sometimes, but it is still a lot of good. I'm one of those people that firmly believe that love conquers all, and there is more love than hate in this world, okay? So please show somebody love. You never know who it is. It is not just by financial means. It might just be a word of encouragement. A lot of people are going downhill because they just don't have that one person to call and say, hey girl, this is what I'm going through, or hey dude, this is what I'm going through. And they are too ashamed to go to therapy. So just be that good friend, that open friend that likes to listen. It's the key. Because if your friends know that you don't listen, like I come to you and start telling you what I'm going through, before I finish halfway, you go, girl, let me tell you, that's the same thing that happened to me. Let me tell. Don't do that. I'm still working on that. It's not just not a good trait. Learn to be a good listener. Listen and let them unburden their hearts. Sometimes that is all that person needs. They don't really need too much, but just to unburden their hearts and have somebody listen to them without judging them. Very important. However, that does not mean that you would not let them know that, okay, I hear what you say. You could have done better here, or you were absolutely right with what you did there. You know, correct with love. Love triumphs, love conquers all. It's a beautiful thing, and we should all enjoy it. So happy Valentine's day. And if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face of mine, my name is Mansa, aka Mansa Queen. Okay, on this channel I do a lot of shop with me videos, I do DIYs, I do vlogs here and there, and occasionally when I do have time I would come and do a sit down video like this just to interact with you guys. So I want you guys to make it really interactive in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this whole concept of love and Valentine's Day and just love for one another as humans in general. To my returning subscribers, man, you guys, I give it to you. You guys are the VIPs. I know I have not been as consistent as I would have loved to be on this channel, and you guys still stick around. I still get a lot of new subscribers all the time, and I'm so grateful for you all. 2022 is our year. We're gonna try to make the best out of it as usual. Okay, you were strong, you were beautiful, and you are enough. In case you needed to hear that, you are sufficient, girl. Go get that hair done, go get that manicure done, go for that degree, go for that certification, go for that skill that you're trying to do. Do you be happy? Be happy. You owe it to yourself, because happiness is innate, is within you. You got to be able to make yourself happy first of all. Now that is still a learning curve for a lot of people. Some of us are still trying to learn that. Okay, some of us have already learned that, but wherever you are, whatever category you fall in, whether you already know how to love yourself or you are in the process of learning how to love yourself, be happy with what you are. The first step to improvement is acknowledging and also realizing that I need to love myself first. Once you get that concept straight, you're good to go, girl, because everything you do will be geared towards finding that inner peace and inner happiness that only you can bring out of yourself. Once you get that going, you would be able to love everybody around you right, because you got to love yourself right first. It's very important, okay? And it is not that hard. You can do it. You can do it. Affirm yourself. Tell yourself you're beautiful. Get off that bed. Do that thing that you've been procrastinating on. Okay, girl? You got this. You got it. So on that note, I would like to say have a good day, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, be blessed and be a blessing to the people around you. All right? Mansa loves you. Bye.